The 2011 Cube. Over 50 standard safety features, one-of-a-kind accessories for personalizing, from colorful lighting to bold trim accents, and up to 31 highway miles per gallon, make the Nissan Cube the shape of things to come, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, keyless entry, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, child safety locks, passenger airbag, security system, trip computer, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.